I'm David. I'm not the instructor for this course, but I would like to introduce you to the instructor of the course, Vicky Lau. She has worked in the Hollywood film and visual effects industry for many years and was involved in the visual effects and post-production work in television series such as AMC's The Walking Dead, Hemlock Grove, and blockbuster movies such as Marvel's Guardians of the Galaxy, Alice Through the Looking Glass, and the latest Planet of the Apes. If you'd like to start transitioning your skills from After Effects or another compositing software to Nuke and have no idea where to start, Vicky Lau's experience in both software can be very advantageous to you. This course offers you both theory and practice on how exactly to transition your skills into Nuke, taking you step by step from importing your files, applying basic effects, through to the render process, ending off with further advice on best practices for the beginner and next steps to take your skills further. And because I believe in your skills, I will be commissioning a piece of art in the middle of this course for your practice and completion. Please, do not disappoint. On that note, if you are new to visual effects or looking to transition your existing compositing skills to Nuke, I believe your search ends here. I hope you are ready to start learning and to start working on my commissioned art piece. You should not worry. You are in good hands.